Frondly AI is a game-changing AI tool just released, and today we'll go over the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking for a powerful AI software to elevate your digital marketing, business, or creative efforts, stick around till the end because you won't want to miss this. By the way, you can try Frondly AI completely free through the first link below. Let's jump right in. First off, Frondly AI is designed to help you with content generation. Whether you're a digital marketer or a content creator, it's perfect for streamlining your process. It generates text-based content that's not only relevant but tailored to your brand's tone, saving you hours of work. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or even emails, Frondly AI does it in a fraction of the time. Secondly, one of the most impressive features of Frondly AI is its natural language understanding. It takes input in a way that feels conversational, so you can communicate with it just like you would a human. Whether you need a catchy headline or a full-length article, Frondly's responses are impressively coherent and accurate. Another standout feature is its ability to personalize content based on your audience. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze trends and patterns, allowing it to generate content that speaks directly to your target market. This is a huge plus for marketers who want to improve engagement and boost conversions. Frondly AI also integrates seamlessly with other tools. If you're already using platforms like Google Docs, WordPress, or Shopify, you won't have to worry about a steep learning curve. The integration is smooth, which means you can hit the ground running without wasting time on technical setup. What's really cool is that Frondly AI is designed to evolve with you. The more you use it, the more it learns your preferences, your style, and your needs. This means you can count on it to create even more relevant and targeted content over time, making it a fantastic long-term investment for your business. Now let's talk about its pricing model. Unlike other AI tools that come with hefty subscription fees, Frondly AI offers a really competitive price for the value it delivers. Plus, they have a free version that gives you a solid taste of the software, which is a great way to test it out before committing. Finally, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sea of AI tools available, Frondly AI stands out by being incredibly user-friendly. There's no steep learning curve, and it's intuitive enough that even beginners can dive in and start creating high-quality content right away. As I mentioned earlier, you can try Frondly AI completely free through the first link in the description. And after trying thousands of AI tools, I've gathered some of my personal favorite recommendations, so make sure to check those out as well. Frondly AI is definitely worth exploring if you're serious about stepping up your content game with AI.